In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete images in Grok Imagine. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect so you can clean up old image generations with confidence. Start by opening the Grok website in your browser and signing into your account. Give the page a moment to load your workspace. If you're using a smaller screen, some menus may be tucked away, so make sure the main interface is visible before moving on. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen for the History section. This is where Grok keeps a chronological list of your past chats and generations, including any images you created in Imagine. Click History to expand it. You should see a series of entries labeled by time or by the prompt you used. If the list is long, scroll through until you find the session that contains the image or set of images you no longer need. Next, click the specific entry you want to remove. This opens the full conversation or generation thread so you can double check that it's the right one. Take a quick moment here to confirm you're looking at the correct images. If there's anything you might want to keep, consider downloading it before you proceed, because the action you're about to take will remove the entire thread and its associated images from your history. With the correct session open, head to the top right corner of the chat window. You'll see a three dots menu, sometimes called the More Options or Kebab menu. Click that, and then choose Delete Chat. Grok will typically ask you to confirm, since this deletes the chat and everything inside it, including your generated images. Read the prompt carefully and confirm the deletion. After a brief moment, the thread will disappear from history, and those images will no longer be accessible in your account. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Deleting a chat is best when you want a clean slate and don't need anything from that session. If you only occasionally prune your history, consider reviewing entries for duplicates or test runs, since those are common space takers. If you collaborate with a team, make sure no one else needs the images before you remove them. And if something looks off or the option isn't available, refresh your browser or check your permissions, as access controls can affect what you can delete. That's it. Open Grok, go to History, select the right entry, and use the three dots menu to delete the chat. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.